Hello my friends, welcome back to another video guys. So today I'll be making a grilled cheese sandwich. I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. If you do, please remember to thumbs up this video guys, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. Please remember to tap the subscribe button before leaving. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support guys. Please continue to support me and remember to share this video with others. Let's get started. These are the ingredients I will be using for this recipe. A few bread slices. You can use white bread or if you can use the brown bread, whichever one you like. I'll be using some cheese slice and also chiffon margarine. You can use whichever brand margarine you like to use, or if you want to use butter. I'm going to start spreading the margarine on the bread. Ensure that you use room temperature margarine or butter so that it will be easy to spread. So when you're doing it, ensure that you spread it all over the bread, so that even at the edges, so that when you start toasting it, even at the edges will be crispy and it will toast properly. Before you start adding the margarine or the butter on the bread, if you are using a rounded bread like what I am using, ensure that the side that you are adding the margarine on, it aligns with the other one when you closes it. So it's best to do this step before you start adding the margarine, so you can test it to see if they align before you butter that side of each slice of the bread. I am finished adding margarine on 2 slices of the bread, so I'm going to start toasting them. Before you add the bread slices, you're going to preheat the pan on a low flame because you're going to toast them on a low flame. So after it has been preheated, you're going to place the side that you place the margarine on or the butter downwards. So you're going to place the margarine side on in the pot. The reason I am toasting the bread on a low flame is because if you toast it on a medium or a high flame, it will burn the bread before you add the cheese. So if you do it that way, then you'll be eating a burnt grilled sandwich. When that side has been toasted, you're going to place your cheese slices. So I'm going to place 2 slices of cheese. You can add 1 slice or you can add even 3 slices depending on how cheesy you want it to be. That you can toast the bread the way you like it, but please do not burn it, because I don't like mine lightly toasted. I like it to be crispy and golden brown, but not burnt. After you place the cheese slice and you close the bread, you can toss it around in the pan so you can turn it from one side to the next. Because remember, if yours is like mine already, you don't want it to be all burnt and so you can just turn it over in the pot each time, and that way it will melt. And even if it's not fully melted, you can turn off the flame and let the heat finish melting the cheese. My grilled cheese sandwich is finished, so now I'm going to remove it from the pan. Okay guys, my sandwich is all done. The cheese has been melted. It is so cheesy and it's delicious. So if you guys try this recipe, please remember to comment and give me your feedback. Please thumbs up this video if you haven't yet done so. Also remember to share with your friends, and if you're new here, remember to tap the subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys, and please do stay tuned for more videos.